Q-Tech Fleet Management and Asset Tracking System. Track your car or use it as a personal tracker. Use it to manage your taxi, truck and bus fleet, or track other assets. Available in 2G and 3G. GPS tracking systems. Track your vehicles anytime, anywhere. From your PC or smartphone. Control multiple devices from one app. It supports Android and iOS platforms and multiple languages. Manage your fleet with a comprehensive report center. View and manage fuel consumption for each vehicle. Plan and manage vehicle movement with geofence alerts. Track your vehicle idle time during their stops. The system provides real-time tracking. View location, speed and vehicle status from the report center. You can also view the history log for all your vehicles. The same information is available in your smartphone app too. Powerful, easy to use with a simple yet functional interface. Cost-saving and helps you better manage the time of your fleet. Q-Tech Fleet Management and Asset Tracking System. Contact us today.